Relax and feel the stress from the day melt off you as you bathe under this 59-inch stainless steel shower panel. The shower panel provides two overhead shower functions, a temperature display, a handheld shower wand, a spray panel, 4 jets, 3 knobs, and a tub spout. The bottom knob controls the cold and hot temperatures. Turn the knob clockwise to control the overhead mist function with blue LED lights that create a calming ambiance. Turn the knob counterclockwise to use the traditional rainfall function, also with blue LED lights. The top knob controls the top spray panel for a more direct wash on the sides of the body. The middle knob controls the tub spout for a soothing soak in the bathtub. To use the 3-function handheld wand, turn the middle knob counterclockwise. The 3 functions can be controlled by moving the switch on the shower wand up and down for the medium stream of spray, a stronger stream of spray, and a misty spray. Turn the middle knob once more for the 4 powerful jets. The jets are flexible and can be angled at your preference. Some functions work simultaneously for the ultimate shower experience. Akdy, let your home do more.